Hello, my name is Matthew on behalf of Team Results. Joining me today is Erica, Omar, and Brian, who will assist in explaining the benefits of modern technology and how it can be leveraged to ensure that your site is always available, fast, secure, and responsive. For a website to be accessible, it is of course a necessity that it is always available to the client. Website monitoring tools such as Pingdom ensure that developers get to-the-minute notifications if their site is down or performing below standards. A website's integrity could be compromised by being a victim of a DDoS or a distributed denial of service attack. The risk of a website attack can be mitigated by enhancing means of security. Here I have Erica to discuss a website's speed.
Thanks, Matt. I'm going to address the necessity of ensuring a website is optimized for speed to keep it running as fast as possible. 5 important ways to speed up a website are to minimize the HTTP requests, which can be targeted using a tool such as Screaming Frog. Run compression audits and compress your data with gzip. Install Content Delivery Network, which can be done through Cloudflare or StackPath. Make sure all your browsing caching is enabled. And finally, you can defer loading for JavaScript files, which can be accomplished with a plugin such as WP Rocket or even just a bit of added code. Now on to Omar.
Thank you, Erica. To ensure website security, we can leverage technologies like Content Delivery Network, balance the load on the website by mitigating the peak traffic that DDoS attacks could cause. Also, using Web Application Firewall protects against injection and XSS attacks by filtering and monitoring the HTTP traffic. Lastly, installing Secure Socket Layer creates an encrypted link between web server and web browser, protecting the website from man-in-the-middle attacks. To you, Brian.
Thanks, Omar. Since 60% of people use their smartphones to browse the internet, here are some key steps companies can leverage to ensure their website is responsive. Conditional loading, by keeping mobile devices clean and simple, such as using React. SEO helps with increasing traffic and traffic quality. And bounce rate, which is very insightful to track user stickiness. And lastly, making the most of your device's hardware, such as two-step authentication. On behalf of Team Results, I'd like to thank you for your time and your consideration.